Stay in your lane! Ruin the song. Hi, there's someone coming, you nitwit? All trucks keep right, Mr. Big Blue Truck. Get your ass over there.
All trucks keep right, Mr. Big Blue Truck. Get your ass over to the right. All trucks keep right. Get your ass over there, Mr. Big Blue Truck. Big Blue Truck, that's not the right.
You're a nitwit, Mr. Big Blue Truck. Did any of you people stop? Probably not. You didn't stop either. Yeah, fuck it, stop. I don't think he stopped. He didn't stop. Here we go again. 3, 4. 5. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Thanks a lot. Oh, what's next step? Stopped, yeah. And he didn't stop. When you guys want to go? Oh. Hey! Thanks. Because Corona! Thank you, stupid. Thank you so much. Fuck you, lady. It's a fucking merge. You know what merge means? Won't you tell? What? Hey! Yeah, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Infinitard. Oh boy. Yeah! Jesus Christ. Yep, I'm here. Thank you. Headlights on and everything. Yeah, cut him off instead. Red light runner. Shut up, you high beams. No left. It's a red light, and there's no left turn there. No U-turn also. It's implied. Yeah, that was close. Hey, wait, hello! U-Haul. You asshole. I'd like to point out that this moron in the U-Haul van is driving alone. Oh, look at this. Now he's doing an exit dive. Driving alone with the mask on. Asshole. Yeah. Double douche. What is this asshole doing? Tesla can't be left out of being an asshole, I guess. Let's go. Zipper lane, in, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out. And one asshole. Cue jumping. Hello, wrong lane, dummy. Okay. Yeah. Good work. Read the signs. Yeah. Good. Box truck exit dive. What? The hell? What the hell are you doing back there? Toyotard! Direct to the left lane, idiot Toyota! Woo-woo. Toyota driver. It's too late. Too late when you die. We don't see eye to eye. Exit dive. Bugger. Shut up, you high beams, you scumbag! Asshole! I'll call that an exit dive.